Hi, I'm Greg Tolentino, Applications Engineer at TEGAM. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use the 900 series data thermometers probe offset feature to improve your overall measurement uncertainty. Probe errors are the largest contributor to overall temperature measurement uncertainty. The probe offset feature of the TEGAM 900 series thermocouple thermometers helps minimize those probe inaccuracies. In order to use this feature, the probe offset must have been determined previously either through the use of an ice bath or a thermowell. To set the probe offset, press the set key for about 1.5 seconds and release. And then momentarily press the set key 2 more times. Now the probe offset is flashing on the LCD, and this indicates that this is the active parameter. Use the arrow keys to set the offset from your existing probe calibration data in 0.1 degree increments. Once the proper value has been set, momentarily press the set key to save that value. For 2-channel models, repeat those steps for channel 2. Thank you for joining us today. To learn more about how the 900 series data thermometers can simplify temperature measurement for you and for your organization, please visit tegam.com.
When the measurement matters, be certain with TEGAM.